Getting your real estate license in BC doesn't have to take years or be a struggle. Excel Realty Academy is your fastest and easiest path to get licensed. Feeling overwhelmed, anxious about the exam, or you already failed? You are not alone. Since 2010, we have helped thousands of people just like you. We will support you every step of the way, from your first class to exam day. At Excel, we simplify the UBC material with real-life examples, so you truly understand, not just memorize. Learning becomes fun and practical. We will help you pass the exam on the first try. And if you don't, retake our classes for free. Join our in-person or live Zoom classes. And after just 12 lessons, you will attend the mock exam class. So you are fully prepared for the real one. No one else in BC offers this. Do not become a lifetime student. Join Excel Realty Academy today. Get licensed faster and start making deals sooner.